हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। ई कॉमर्स में आज के लेक्चर से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे इंटरनेट को। ठीक है, इंटरनेट क्या होता है और कौन कौन से इसके यूजेस होते हैं, यानी कि कुछ बेसिक्स डिस्कस करेंगे कंप्यूटर्स के बारे में, जैसे कि इंटरनेट कॉन्सेप्ट, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ इंटरनेट, ईमेल्स, FTP, WWW, टेलनेट, इंटरनेट, एक्स्ट्रानेट, लिमिटेशंस ऑफ इंटरनेट, हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर रिक्वायरमेंट्स, ये हम कर चुके हैं लेकिन दोबारा से डिस्कस कर लेंगे, और सर्च इंजन्स के बारे में। ठीक है, तो ये कुछ बेसिक्स पॉइंट्स हैं जो कि हमारे सेकंड यूनिट में हैं। सो लेट्स कवर व्हाट इज इंटरनेट। इंटरनेट है क्या? ठीक है, सो इंटरनेट हैज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ग्लोबली इनटू द एवरीथिंग दैट we could imagine. It is a where we can find every information which is related to our business, personal life, professional life, science, technology, environment. Even nothing is impossible to search with the help of internet. Okay, everything you can avail, every information you want, you can purchase with the help of internet. इंटरनेट के थ्रू आप कोई भी किसी भी तरीके की इंफॉर्मेशन को गैदर कर सकते हो। So globally into everything can we then we could imagine. There are hardly people who do not rely on the internet for their daily life. Internet has emerged in the such a way that happen to use in the run our daily life in the some way. ठीक है, इन द डे टू डे लाइफ, जैसे कि आज के टाइम में क्या है, बहुत सारी हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, दैट रिक्वायरमेंट्स कैन बी डन एंड कंप्लीटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस internet. Okay, with the help of internet you can search everything, anything, and use in your daily and personal professional life. Okay, so regarding the uses of internet, there are number of ways where we can say that internet is usually usable. So the use of internet are endless. There is a endless use of internet in the today's scenario. So first one is education. So internet is a valuable source for a lot of information. Data and information related to all fields are updated in the internet. Okay. There are number of streams in the education department where you can search the information on a particular streams. Uh, Here I am quoting the example. If you are a student of the science stream, then you can search the information and concept of science also. Okay. If you belong to the commerce stream, then you can search and find the information your commerce and account. So everything is possible and search the information with the help of internet. So that's why first one is education. Students can spend a few minutes over the internet to read their relevant study materials. Okay, so many students use the internet for the intense research on their projects. A number of projects you can search and find with the with your internet. Okay, number of PDF files available where you can download that files and use in your research work and your project works also. So it is also very usable for in the education departments. Okay, second one is communication. Second one, communication. So communicate with the internet, communication has become better and easier. You can proceed your business meetings with the help of computer and internet facility very effectively. Okay, the person who belongs to other country, you can communicate with them, okay, with the help of internet and computer applications. So one can call and take the someone over the internet. Video calls are an interesting option for the communication through the internet. Mailing is one of the another form of the communication which is widely used in the daily corporate life. ठीक है, जैसा कि emails, that also can be possible just because of the internet. So communication also very important thing, and you can communicate to other person in different ways, but you have to purchase, you have to use internet facility, because internet communication has become better and easier. Third one is current updates. Current updates. Current updates you can find if you have an internet facility. Daily updates and current happenings are made available in the internet instantly. Okay, so internet is considered the real-time hub for the all updates about the politics, sports, entertainment, science, business, and many other fields. So that's why I am saying it is also very usable in the form of current updates. Any updates which is related to any area, whether we are talking about the political, sports and entertainment, science, technology, research, each and every update you can find with the computer and internet. Okay, so this is also very usable. Third one है corporate base. Fourth one is corporate base. Corporate base, because you can not proceed your business and business practice if you without the internet. Okay, the corporate world rely on the internet for file sharing, data transfer, internet communication, internal communication and external communication, many other purpose. In simple word, internet form the base of the corporate today. And fifth one use that is also very important and significant in current scenario, that is e-commerce. E-commerce just done because of the internet facility. If there is no internet and computer application, you can't buy in good services electronically. So other than using internet for business purpose, a business itself can be started and accomplished through the internet. E-commerce has lot of advantages like reaching the customer easily, giving a lot of the information about the business, clearing customer queries instantly, and making the payment also possible over the internet. Okay, so this is also very important use, e-commerce. So these are the important points and use of the internet, that is education, communication, e-commerce, current updates and corporate base. Today's we can quote a better example, online education, which is very currently going on in very effective way. Okay, so this is happened and this is happening just because of our internet. Without internet it never proceed. Okay, and you cannot learn in things with the help of internet. Okay, so online classes and online study possible just because of the internet facilities. You can use and you can find any platform, and that platform is running just because of the internet. Whether we are talking about the YouTube, whether we are talking about the Zoom meetings, बहुत सारी applications that application run just the help of the internet facility. Okay, so that's why education also very important area where internet running in very effective way, and the use of internet is very significant and important as a pandemic presently time. It is also very usable. Okay, and communication, e-commerce, current updates, corporate base. Okay, so next one is terminology of internet. होप तो ये टॉपिक कंप्लीट हो जाए, लेकिन ये टॉपिक कंप्लीट होगा नहीं. टर्मिनोलॉजी ऑफ इंटरनेट. ठीक है, अब इंटरनेट की हम बात कर रहे हैं तो कौन कौन से ऐसे एरियाज हैं जिनको पजेसेस करके हम इंटरनेट यूज कर सकते. तो सबसे पहला है वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, इसको www बोलते हैं. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वन इज द वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. सिंपली द वेब इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डॉक्यूमेंट्स कॉल्ड वेब पेज, जिसको हम वेब पेज बोलते हैं. ठीक है, ये क्या है, कलेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डॉक्यूमेंट्स. that link together like a spider web. These documents are stored on the computers called server located around the world. ठीक है, तो www यानी कि वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब इज अ collection of electronic documents where you can find any documents related to your requirements and search the information. Okay, इसको हम स्पाइडर वेब या फिर वेब पेजेस भी बोलते हैं. बहुत सारे वेब पेजेस होते हैं जहाँ पे आप सर्च करके वहाँ से रेलिवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन को गैदर कर सकते हो और उस इंफॉर्मेशन को अपनी नीड के हिसाब से यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, लेकिन जो फर्स्ट हमारी जो टर्मिनोलॉजी है इंटरनेट की वो क्या है, वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब यानी कि www. यहाँ पे आप किसी भी पर्टिकुलर कंपनी की वेबसाइट को सर्च कर सकते हो और वहाँ से उस कंपनी के बारे में या उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर कर सकते हो. ठीक है, जैसे कोई भी कंपनी है जिसके बारे में आप जानना चाह रहे हो या कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन है जिसके बारे में आप जानना चाह रहे हो, दैट इंफॉर्मेशन सिंपली you have to put up, okay, and you can find the result very easily with the help of number of web pages which contain the relevant information. Second one है web server. A web server is a computer that store web pages. ठीक है, वेब सर्वर्स पे क्या होते हैं, वेब पेजेस होते हैं, जो पेजेस आपने सर्च किए होते हैं. It is a responsible for the accepting results from user and serves with the web pages. Two important web servers programs are ISS, Internet Information Server, and the Apache. ठीक है, web servers are connected to the internet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Every time it is connected with the internet. ठीक है, so hope so आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. स्टूडेंट्स, टुडेज टॉपिक सेशन ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीटेड. ओके, इस टॉपिक को हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में भी कंटिन्यू करेंगे, टर्मिनोलॉजी ऑफ इंटरनेट. तो आप भी थोड़ा इसको और पढ़ लीजिए, इंटरनेट के बारे में, इसके यूज़ के बारे में. एंड अगेन आई एम सेइंग, इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी, एनी डाउट, देन यू कैन अगेन डिस्कस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच.